Good afternoon, it's Barry again from We Work on Home Building. Just finishing up this spray thing here. Hey, Berlin, what's up? So I have a problem here. That we're going to install this beautiful banner. That was ordinary. Ciao, Johnsito. So, how much is lasting? What was the project in here was this. Was just a closet before, and that needs to be removed. Extend the bottom floor, and just put a washer and dryer in here. A standard size, which is the LG 5500, the model, and it's working nice, beautiful. And there's a few things in here that needs to be done. So the washer and dryer was in here before in this closet. So the whole thing came up, and now we create this shelving for the customer and install the machine in here. And the nice thing about it was I would also give a nice clean out in. Everything went smooth and nice and looks lovely. And I have here Marlon and John. The last thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna remove this vanity and install a new vanity inside there. So it was a little challenging. I had to run the bent pipe, run it through there, bring it outside. You can't even tell. So that was a nice solution we had for the bend. See that's an old tab. So that helps. So this new vanity is gonna match that. Chicos, buen trabajo, okay? Alright, so that was a little challenge to run the bend in there. Alright, let's go. This mission. And then